Welcome back to my channel. So today is finally Sunday and the day of the truck show. So we're going to pick up my girlfriend and then we're going to head to St. Augusta to meet up with another member, and then we're going to convoy into the meet from there. It's about an hour and 50-minute drive to get there. So we'll have some road time ahead of us before we get there. But it'll all work out. It'll be alright. It's really not that far considering what we're going for. We're going to the Minnesota Truck Mafia end of the summer meet. It is the biggest meet that Minnesota Truck Mafia holds every year. Tons of giveaways. There'll be all kinds of activities there, so I'm told. I've never actually been to a Truck Mafia meet, so we're going to find out what it's all about while we're there. Alright, so we're coming into St. Augusta now, here pretty quick. I don't know if Brown is there yet or not, but we're about there. It doesn't look like he's here yet, so we'll stop, go into the gas station and wait for him. I am. Here you go. Take a little video of your truck down before we go. There it is. This ugly bastard. Alright, so we met up with Brown, and we're going to follow him to the meet. I don't know how well you can see his truck in front of me, but I'll be back when we get there. We're stuck in fucking traffic! Look at this shit. Because some dumbass doesn't know how to drive ahead of us somewhere. So now, we're going to be like, look at that Jeep, I like that Jeep. Anyways, yeah, we're stuck in fucking traffic. So I don't know when we're going to actually end up getting to the meet, but I don't want anybody getting between me and Brown. Fuck them people. But yeah, so we're stuck. And we're a little bit behind. And I fucking hate the city because people don't know how to drive and they cause stupid traffic like this. Alright guys, so we're coming up on the Maplewood Tavern where the truck meet is. And as we can see, there is some vehicles there already. And we're at the turn right now. I don't know if you guys can see any of those vehicles, but that is all of our people taking up that whole parking lot. If you can see, those are all us taking up that parking lot there. So it looks like a lot of people turned out today, which is awesome. So yeah, look at all them American flags. Oh, maybe only 3 or 4, but pulling in now.
They're my shit, thank you. Just park.
What are you doing there, Brown?
Parking.
As you guys can see, it's gonna be a good day. Alright guys, so we made it. Here we are. There he is.
What's going on?
Come on, Josh. I like the rims. I'm gonna get a little video footage of that guy right there. Yeah. It's gonna look nice.
Yep.
It's gonna look nice. That's it. That's it, guys. Alright, so Josh is gonna put on the decal he made for me. So we're gonna go do that. You don't mind me videoing you doing this, do you?
How far down do you guys drive?
I came from Glenwood. He came out of St. Cloud. We met him halfway. Oh, so your stuff gets that spot right off. Nice. I could get it.
Degreaser
Okay, I couldn't get it off. I was like, what the hell is going on? But yeah, nice. And then I gotta take the other ones off. I got a couple gun ones to put over there. Oh yeah, that's gonna look nice.
Man, I wouldn't put that on. That's too much. I could fuck up.
That's why I'm paying him to do it.
Yeah, there's a lot of little pieces. Yeah.
There it is, guys. Josh Malec Creations? Is it?
Malec Motor Art.
Josh Malec Motor Art. There it is. Did a damn good job. I like it.
With the,
I like it.
Like the rims where it started to chip, and it looked like
Yeah.
chips, so that's what I did.
Right. See? That's the bumper you need. Say hi to YouTube, guys.
What up?
I like it.
How you doing, Clint?
Good, you?
Oh, I can't complain.
There you go.
See, you need a bumper like that. That'll look nice on your truck. They're only like $600-700 a rip.
Oh,
There you go. See, I want that. That's what I'm getting for the lights that he's got. He's just got them set to switch. I get a look at this truck. Get that on YouTube. Cut off half ton, guys. I like it. That's pretty fucking cool.
Thank you.
What's going on YouTube? Say hi. First off, we got this guy and his mall crawler here. I like his rims though, and his baby tires. And then we got these two, these massive tires, 40s, 40 by 1350 17s. Look at that tread. And here are the Jeeps. Pretty badass. You too. He's actually selling this Jeep for $26,000, you said?
28, he'll sell it.
For 28, you can have this Jeep, guys. 28 grand. He's got over 60,000 into it, and for 28, you can have it. He works at, where's he work? He works at 4-wheel parts here in the cities. Call him up and he'll sell you his Jeep. Alright guys, so that's the end of that video. As you could tell, for this video I only shared and talked about some of my favorite vehicles. Andy's Power Wagon, love it. Andy's a really cool dude. Clint's Diesel, love his Dirty Max, it's awesome. The red Jeep is Troy's Jeep. I really like his Jeep as well. And the chopped Suburban Tahoe, I don't remember, it was one of the two, that white one. We could not actually figure out who owned that to get more footage or name or anything like that on that. So there's that. There will be another video coming after this that will be based upon just solely the meat. So it's going to basically, I'm going to go through all the different footage I have. I'm going to show off the different trucks. I'm going to go more in depth with everything. I'm going to show more, more variety versus just, 3, 4, 5 trucks. I wanted to get the video done and ended with. I didn't want it to go for 20 minutes. So I figured, fuck it, let's make another video. So, look forward to that. And that's going to be the end of this video. As always, if this is your first time stopping by, make sure you subscribe. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and show your support. Thanks for stopping by, everybody.